Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you what tool I use to record this type of videos where I can just show my face like this, but also in a bubble like this on the side, and I can move it around. This is me, and it's also recording my screen right here. So let's get started. The tool, I'm using that to post videos. I can quickly send videos to anyone who ask me a questions and I want to reply in a video message, video format, or I can show them just sharing my screen what the answer is. I use that as well to record my the courses that I put inside of the classroom. Like right here, those what you can see right now, it's my SKOOL Community Mastery, which is a course that I'm providing inside of SKOOL, inside of my community. And each of the modules that you can click on it, it's a video that is using that tool that I'm using right now to record. And that tool is called Loom. So I'm gonna have a look at it. It's right here. It comes with a button right here at the top. I'm not gonna click on it, otherwise it's gonna stop this video. I just did that and failed at it. I didn't know. So then now I know. So if I click on it, it's going to stop my video. But what it does, and I'm going to put a screenshot just below this video so you can see what it is. But when I click on that, I can select to start the recording. I can select the webcam or my iPhone that I want to use the video from, which screen I want to record from, and which microphone I'm going to use to record the audio. And I select that, and I just press record, and it's just start everything. And the bubble comes up on the side, and I can blow it up like I showed you at the beginning. If I double click on it, looks like this. You see me in full, and otherwise I can have it in a smaller or much smaller, or yeah. Or I think this one is just showing me my picture, but this is the one I use. I like that, so you can see me, and it feels more a bit more interactive. But anyway, so you can start, press record, and off you go. You can start recording what it is you want to talk about. You can start, if you have a PowerPoint, a slide deck, you can use that and present your slide deck while recording your screen and showing yourself on the side like right now. And at the end, when you click on stop, like on this button or that one here at the top, it's gonna stop and it's gonna create something like this. This is an instance of a video. So as you can see, this is recorded, it's up here, and what the tool does, let me move that out of the way, it's gonna generate automatically chapters for me. It's gonna generate, like you can see inside the video, those are chapters. It's gonna record the chapters at the bottom with the links and the timestamp. It's gonna give me a summary automatically created and generated, and it's also gonna create a title. I think for this one I reworked it slightly, but you have a starting point basically that's helping you to just get ideas for what it is that you just produced. Well, it's giving you just that. And here on the right side, you can see activities if you have task comments, if you are sharing, because you can use that part of a workflow. If you have a bigger team, someone helping you edit the videos, you can just review, comment, add that. The first one that I would use is this one, which is edit. You can trim and stitch, which is going to do just something like this. Let me move me out of the way, and I can adjust where it starts. I can cut some sections. It's basic video editing that's part of Loom, but it can get you by with just when you just start a video, you talk about it, and you basically have everything recorded. And yeah, it's not a video editing tool per se, but it will do just the basic for exactly that type of video that I'm doing right now, where I talk all along, and I'm just gonna cut maybe at the beginning where I'm taking a bit of time to get started. And if I make a big mistake, something that I want to cut off, I can do that as well. But don't think of Loom as a tool to just add like sound music, like overlays, B-rolls, and all those fancy stuff. That's not what it's meant to be. It's just made to be simple, record, and minimal edit, publish. That's a great tool for exactly creating content in the sense of sharing quickly, creating, if you want to create just simple trainings, lesson modules. You don't need to go into the fancy stuff. Just prepare something. If you have slide decks, that's perfect to record that while you are presenting them. I think that's a great way to teach something when you have your own school, for instance, but I would say e-learning business or something where you sell your advice online basically and teach something to people. So this is one thing. You can also now edit by transcript, which start to be a new trend. I'm using another tool that started this trend, I think, where you can edit by transcript. So basically you can come here and remove some words and it's going to cut the videos removing those words. So it's pretty neat. And it can also automatically remove silences. So if you take a break for 5 seconds and you want that cut, you can do that automatically right here. And remove some filler words. Like if you say, like I do, I say a lot of, you can cut that automatically right here. I don't typically use it. Depends on the type of video. For content for social media, you might want to use that because you want the content to be really punchy and happens very fast. But when just recording a video like this one, I feel like it's cutting the natural flow of the thing. And I mean, I'm saying sometimes or other filler words, but it's just who I am. So it's part of me, basically. So, and then you can save that. Let's come back to just it back. Then you can see the transcript. You can copy that. You can see the number of views. On this one, I just have one person viewed it so far. And yeah, that's the first thing that, I mean, you can do a bit more than that, but this is just a quick tour to get you started. And now I'm going to show you how I publish that inside of SKOOL. So you can just get started and record. And if you create your own SKOOL community, which by the way, this it's inside of my classroom right now. It's free. If you go to SKOOL Community Mastery, you're going to be able, and I'm going to probably put that video inside of this. And you can start creating your own SKOOL community, your classroom. I'm showing you exactly how this works. I created mine and I walk you through all the details to do that. So let me add a new one. So what I like to do is just duplicate this one because it gives me or actually, let's not do that. Let's start fresh. So it's going to be easier for that demonstration. I'm going to add a module. So it's coming right here. Like this. It's inside this set. A set is like a group of modules. I would have preferred, I was used to another tool, Kajabi, which was calling modules the group of lessons, but this is called sets and this is called modules. So here's the new one. I can click on edit and now I come up with this. So if I was to use this one, for instance, what I would do is I would copy this title that I've created. I would put it here. And because I have a limit, I would remove like just carving out your niche using your passion, for instance. Oh, let me remove that. Coming up, your passion. Now I want to add a video. So actually it's not hosted inside of SKOOL, but I'm just linking the video that's hosted inside of Loom. Because right now inside of SKOOL, you can't upload a video, but you can link videos that are hosted on YouTube, Vimeo, Loom, or Wistia. So that's why Loom is a great tool for that. And otherwise you can just use YouTube. And if you don't want them to be public on YouTube, you can have just them as, what's the term? Unlisted. So they are like published, but nobody can access those videos. They are not indexed inside the search of YouTube. They are just available if you have the link. So nobody can really access them unless you give them the link. And if you put the link here, it's going to be published and viewable right here. So if I'm copying the link, I can click right here. It's copying the link. As you can see, link copied. Coming back, I'm adding that right here. I do add and it's instantly there. And then what I do, I add that description that has been automatically generated right here. I use Command A, Command C. That's why I'm maybe going a bit fast, but and I post that right here. Then I like to add a divider, and I come down below and I'll add this. So it gives you, the viewer, some information about the chapters, like this. And then I can add some resource link, a resource file, if there's a file attached to that I want people to download. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to add what I like to do with all my videos is I add the transcript, which I can come right here on the right side. I come on this side, I click copy. I come back right here and I paste the transcript. And now I can just save. Did I click, was it published? So at the bottom here you have like published or draft. It's toggled on, so it's published. So it's really published, and now it's right here. There we have it. It's created inside of the SKOOL program and published. And you have a nice video that you can get started. Right here, it's automatically chaptered. I have a description created for me. Look how cool and fast it has been to just publish a new module inside of SKOOL. Using Loom. Just record your video. The tech involved in that is pretty easy to use, and it's not a barrier. It's very easy and fast, and it creates the details, and I can just post that. And then if I want to add more, I can come back right here. I can edit, and if I want to redo, add a bit more, maybe add more links, I can just come back here. I can add links as well right inside the text, or they can be here. They will appear at the bottom as special links. And yeah, there's a simple editor, and that's it. My lesson module is actually published inside of the classroom, and now anyone who has access to that can just view the videos and access to this lesson, to this module. And then I can go to the community and tell everyone in the community that it's available and released. So yeah, that's what I do to create those videos. That's the tool I use, Loom. I'm going to put a link just below this video so you can start using it. If you want to get started with your SKOOL community, you're going to have the link as well down below. And yeah, and if you have any question on any of this, just reach out to me in the community, DM me. I'm here to help.